the next hurdle is getting an interview call, because people do not get in students do not get interview call. And when so I do help a lot of juniors, and when I see their resume, I feel like, you have not done even a single quant project. How
Hmm.
would you get an interview call? I mean, you should have something related to quant finance, right? Something
Yeah.
to show that you have certain knowledge of quant finance. So like, what would you say, any project recommendations, or maybe like any project which you think, or which was beneficial for you, or anything from that perspective?
Yeah, for sure, projects need to be there. If there's no work experience, that will help a lot. And especially if you have a GitHub profile, that also helps, because then they can see that you have implemented. They can maybe see the code. Sometimes actually, recruiters also might see the actual code, how you've implemented it, all of that. So projects and GitHub profiles, but maybe we can take one example, maybe forecasting bond returns using yield curve modeling and volatility forecasting. So, for example, so this might be a combination of multiple. You can divide that project into multiple parts. Like first, you can use a dynamic term structure model like Nelson Siegel to break down the yield curve into those three components: level, slope, and curvature. And then you can understand. So this makes you understand how the curve is shifting, like flattening, steepening, inverting. So this will firstly give you and help you showcase that you know this kind of a model and you have implemented it. So then this is like a holistic project which will show your forecasting of bond returns as well as risk. And then you can extend it or shorten this anyhow, but this is like an example of a holistic project where you can show so many different concepts, and you will know what they might ask, like.
I guess those are really great suggestions, because I feel like a lot of times freshers in general, they do not have any quant related projects, and that's where the issue starts from, not getting an interview call. So definitely adding what you said, projects on fixed income or time series or derivatives or stochastic modeling, maybe it definitely helps.